Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Power on your Asus Chromebook and press the power key until the screen lights. Select a Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password carefully. Sign in using your Google account email and password when prompted. Enable two-step verification for better account protection and follow the on-screen prompts. Choose local storage like 32 GB or 64 GB and enable Google Drive backup to keep files synced. Spend 5 minutes customizing language and time zone during this setup process. Press the launcher key to open apps and search files quickly from any screen. Use Alt plus Tab to switch windows and Control plus Shift plus Q to sign out safely. Adjust touchpad sensitivity in settings and enable tap-to-click for faster gestures. Familiarize yourself with the dedicated search key and brightness and volume top row controls. Dock apps to the shelf for one-click access and rearrange icons by dragging them. Connect external displays via HDMI and set display resolution in the display. Open Google Play to install Android apps like productivity and media apps you need. Enable Linux, Crostini, in settings to run development tools and command line utilities on your device. Check for Chrome OS updates in About Chrome OS and install updates monthly for security and new features. Backup documents to Google Drive and export important files manually to an external drive periodically. Use Battery Saver and avoid charging to 100% constantly for longer battery lifespan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.